and we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the toReversed method. It's the same as the reverse method, and I've got a typo here, sorry about that. But it leaves the original array unaffected. Let me show you the difference. We'll print out our array here, a couple of fruits, banana to grape. And if we now apply the toReverse method to it, it's gonna get reversed. So instead of starting with banana, it ends with banana and starts with grape. So everything that's here in the end gets put to the start. Now if you print out the ARR array again, and here again, a little bit of a typo, sorry. But you can see the reverse method, it changes the array. So we haven't added reverse to our second ARR print out, and it's still reversed, banana at the end, grape at the start. And if you don't want to have that, if you want to preserve the original, use the toReversed method instead. So this inverses the array. Here's the first one, grape to banana. But it leaves the original, the ARR, unaffected, so this remains banana to grape. And this is how you can use the toReversed method in JavaScript. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.